Today we'll talk about how can you delete your accounts on your Vizio app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Vizio app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just click here on account down here. You just click here on account. Then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on Vizio account. You just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to next here. Then all you have to do now, so just click here on delete my account info. Just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on delete account. Just click on it here. So then it's going to delete video on your Vizio app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.